Hi, I'm Leslie and I'm going to show you how to make some earrings tonight. So what you are going to need is, you're going to need these little wires here. I don't know whether you can see, but they've actually got little ends on, which stops any beads from falling off. You're going to need 2 of those. You are going to need 2 earring hooks, like these. I don't know if you can see them properly. Oh, like that. So you're going to need 2 of those. You're going to need some round nose pliers, and you might want some wire cutters depending on how big you want your earrings. So I've got some beads in here. Obviously you're going to need some beads as well. I've got some beads in here that I'm going to just get out now. Ooh. And they are very pretty. They're kind of green and purple and red, and I'm going to use some of these as my earrings. So I'm going to make alternate colours. So we're going to have green, and then some red, and then another green, and then another red, like that. And then we're going to put one more green on. So you want to stop. So you've got about this much left at the top. And then we're going to put our round nose pliers at the top and make sure that they're flush so that you can't feel it at the top. Okay, and then you're going to turn it round and then nip it, because it looks like that at the moment. Oh, I'll just turn it round. So it looks like that, so it's a bit skew-iff. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the round nose pliers in, and then we're just going to turn it so that it looks like that. We're going to get our earring, pop it on, and then just close up that little loop at the top so that it's all fixed on. And then there's one earring. As you can see, it's very pretty. So I'm going to get some more beads and we'll do the other one. These could be done as presents, or you could keep them yourself. You can do them with clip-on earrings as well, so you don't need to have these earring hooks here. You can actually get clip-on earrings, so anybody can wear them. Okay, so again, I'm going to put on the green first. I've got to find the hole first. I couldn't find that. And then I'm going to put the red one on, and again we're just going to go into a pattern. So green, red, green, red, green, leaving enough at the top to be able to make your little loop. Now you can go a bit wild if you want to, and you can put on 2 or 3 strands of these. You can make them shorter, you can join them together if you wanted to. So I could put on this, and then if you get the ends where they've actually got little round bits on the end anyway, you can then attach another one to make them even longer. So there we go, we've got our earrings here, and I think that they look gorgeous. So have a go at making them.